Hello friends, Drew here in beautiful West Grove, Pennsylvania. We finished up this tile backsplash. I wanted to give you the after view of what's going on here. Of course, we had this separate piece off to the side, and then the cut clip corner inlays along with the glass tile. So we showed you in the last video where we had come in and put some support boards to put the glass in all around. That went in first, and then we went through and put the rest of the tiles in the field. And all of these tiles that were put in, close to about 180 in total between this side and this side over here, there was only about 26 or 28 tiles that we did not have to cut something on before they were put in. So it's a little bit more extensive than I'll say the average kitchen backsplash that we put in. But we've got the box extenders in now, so all the receptacles and devices work the way they have it. And so absolutely gorgeous the way it complements the countertop. Do we have a light show for this one? He's got a light show for us on this one as well. So beautiful both sides of this. If you've got a kitchen that you want to do some under cabinet lighting, over cabinet lighting, toe kick lighting, or tile backsplash, give our team a call. We're available weekdays. We have dedicated office staff set up to answer your calls at 484-748-0008. You can choose option 2 for coat construction and renovation, and extension 2 for new projects, and our team will be happy to assist you. We are a Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078, and there's absolutely nothing that we can't assist you with around your house, whether it's building a custom dream home, an addition, a garage, or whether you're interested in getting an addition built, roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, anything on the interior, renovating your bathroom, your basement, your kitchen space. We'd be happy to help with all that as well. And putting in cool color change lighting packages. Those are some fun things that we have some connections with that we can help arrange for you as well. So give our team a call or message us here on our Facebook page. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you click the subscribe button and the notifications bell and follow us for all the exciting adventures of home improvements and home repairs and home renovation projects that we are working on here in Southern Chester County. Remember, we're done with your project. You're proud to say it's not just done, it was coat built. We'll catch you on another video. Bye for now.